friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up the first week of February in our health planners, and I've got these sticker books which I pulled from this week, as well as a wax paper spread all ready to go. So this week is the beginning of a new month, and I like to change up my sidebar each month. It's just something I like to do. So I saw these sidebars in the Planner Babe accessory book there that you can kind of see there sort of on the top of the stack. There are 4 colors, and so I decided to pull the purple one this week and start with that. So I ended up just doing a full purple tone spread this week, with hints of black and also a little bit of rainbow here and there spread around just to add a little variety. I happen to have enough of the trackers for my stats in purple and then in black with the purple stripe, so all that worked out well. But this week is the beginning of my fruit fast, which I think I talked about a bit in my monthly spread as I was talking about February in my health planner. And so my food tracking isn't going to be like it normally is. It's not going to have as much detail, obviously, because I'll be eating basically just fruit. So I'm not going to be bothering with trying to track calories or anything like that, at least for this first week, until I start adding in different kinds of veggies and grains and stuff later down the month. So I could keep it pretty simple. I thought about changing up the whole layout and doing something different where the nutrition area is, and just, totally mixing things up. But in the end, I decided just to leave it as is because my brain, I think, just needed something familiar because it's going to be a rough week. I already know. So I just want to keep it as simple as possible. And I also want to keep myself motivated for working out while I'm on this fast, even if I'm not doing 100% or I'm not going to every workout that I normally do, at least doing a little something every day. So I'm setting it up for that, and I'm setting it up for my normal schedule up there at the top. So some days I do 2 classes, some days I do 1, and sometimes I do outdoor activities, things like that. And Saturday is always my rest day, so I have that always blocked off. Like I said, I don't know if I'll be doing all my workouts this week. We will see, but I'm going to set it up that way just in case. And the nutrition, like I said, is going to be pretty simplified, so I probably won't need all that room, but maybe I'll add some stickers in as I go throughout the week just for some visual interest. And so for my focus section, I didn't want to overthink it. I just wanted it to be about working out and staying in that purple color. That was kind of the theme of this spread, was just the purple. So it's not real complicated and not overly pretty. It's a lot of stickers kind of just stuck together there in that focus section for motivation. Not a very designy spread, but I think it'll still be a fun one to look at throughout the week. Just some daily reminders each day to keep me going. I thought it would be nice to pull in some black with a lot of that purple like I mentioned before, and they had those black arrows with the rainbow text, which I thought was perfect. And that was all kind of in that Planner Babe book, as well as the sticker book on the bottom there, the actual Planner Babe sticker book. So I'm just laying this in, just grabbing some random purple, fun, with those hints of black, trying to fill up the space. And basically, once I get all of this in, we will be done. It was a super quick spread once I had it all mapped out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment too if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we will see you next time. Bye!